In the vast expanse of time, there exists an art so intricate and delicate, it captures the essence of seconds, minutes, and hours. This is the art of watchmaking. A craft that has evolved over centuries, watchmaking is a testament to human ingenuity and precision. The earliest timekeepers, sundials and water clocks, paved the way for the intricate mechanical watches we cherish today. Each watch is a marvel of engineering, a symphony of tiny gears and springs working in harmony. It's a dance of precision and craftsmanship where every fraction of a second counts. This isn't just about telling time, it's about capturing moments, encapsulating them within a small, portable device that never ceases to amaze. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of watchmaking. Now, prepare to dive into the mesmerizing process of turning tiny gears and springs into a device that marks the passage of time. Every masterpiece begins with an idea, and so does a watch. The inception of a timepiece is no less than a thrilling journey. It all begins with a spark, an innovative concept that serves as the cornerstone of the watch's design. This stage, known as design and conceptualization, is the birthplace of a watch's personality. Aesthetics and functionality intertwine beautifully in this phase. The aesthetics give the watch its unique identity, its visual appeal. Think of the sleek lines of the case, the intricate detailing of the dial, the elegance of the hands. On the other hand, functionality ensures that the watch is more than just a pretty face. It dictates the features, the mechanisms, the very heart that makes a timepiece tick. Every tick, every tock, every minute detail is thoughtfully designed and conceptualized. It's a delicate balance, an artful dance between beauty and utility. With the design in place, it's time to bring it to life. In the world of horology, precision is key. Diving into the heart of watchmaking, we find ourselves amidst the creation of various watch components. Each piece, no matter how minuscule, plays a crucial role in the grand scheme of things. Crafting these components is an intricate process that requires a steady hand, an eagle eye, and an immeasurable amount of patience. First off, we have the case. This is the shell that houses the watch's inner workings, and it's typically made from durable materials like steel or titanium. Some high-end watches even use precious metals like gold or platinum. The case must be crafted with precision to ensure it can withstand the rigors of daily wear and tear, all while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. Next up, the dial. This is the face of the watch, the component you glance at to tell the time. Crafting the dial is a meticulous process, often involving careful painting, printing, or even engraving. The materials used can range from simple metals to complex composites, and in some luxury watches, you might even find dials made of mother-of-pearl or meteorite. The hands of the watch, those slender indicators of time, are also crafted with utmost precision. Usually made from brass or steel, they are shaped and polished to perfection, then coated with a layer of luminous paint to ensure visibility in low-light conditions. Crafting these components isn't possible without an array of specialized tools. Watchmakers use lathes for shaping, precision tweezers for handling tiny parts, and an assortment of miniature screwdrivers, files, and hammers. And let's not forget about the magnifying glasses. With some components being smaller than a grain of rice, these tools are indispensable in the watchmaker's toolkit. The process of crafting the various watch components is a testament to the skill and dedication of the watchmaker. It's a blend of art and science, requiring not just technical expertise, but also an eye for design and a deep appreciation for the beauty of time. Crafting each component with precision sets the stage for the heart of the watch, the movement. A watch's heartbeat lies in its movement. The movement or caliber is the engine that drives the hands around the watch face and powers any additional features such as a chronograph, dual time zone, or calendar. It's the intricate system that keeps time ticking away. The assembly of this mechanical marvel begins with the mainspring, the watch's power source. This tightly coiled spring stores energy when the watch is wound. As it slowly unwinds, it releases this stored energy to power the watch. The mainspring's precise design and construction are crucial as it directly impacts the watch's running time between windings. Next, let's talk about the gear train, a series of wheels that transfer energy from the mainspring to the escapement. The wheels turn at different speeds, controlled by the size of their teeth. The gear train is the reason why the second hand moves every second, the minute hand moves every 60 seconds, and the hour hand moves every 60 minutes. Then, we have the escapement. It's the part of the watch that creates the ticking sound we all know and love. The escapement takes the constant energy from the mainspring, delivered through the gear train, and releases it in equal measured amounts. It's the watch's regulator, ensuring that time is kept accurately. The assembly of these components is a delicate task, requiring expertise and extreme precision. Each piece must be meticulously placed and adjusted to ensure the watch will run smoothly and accurately. It's an intricate dance of mechanics and physics, a testament to the watchmaker's skill and patience. The importance of these components in timekeeping cannot be overstated. The mainspring, gear train, and escapement work in harmony, each playing a vital role in the watch's movement. Without them, the watch would simply not function. As the movement comes to life, the watch begins to keep time, but it's not ready to wear just yet. The symphony of time comes together in the assembly. A beautiful watch is a testament to the artistry and precision of its maker, and nowhere is this more evident than in the assembly process. At the heart of the assembly, we find the dial. This is the face of the watch, the interface between the wearer and the intricate mechanisms within. The dial is meticulously fitted into place, all the while ensuring that it aligns perfectly with the watch's movement. Next comes the intricate task of setting the hands. These slender pieces of metal are the conductors of our symphony, marking the passage of time in silent, ceaseless motion. They are placed with utmost precision, their placement critical to the watch's accuracy. Once the hands are set, we move to the watch's movement. Securing the movement within the case is a delicate operation. It's a dance of precision, as the movement must be perfectly positioned to ensure the watch functions as it should. This is where the watchmaker's skill truly shines. A slight misalignment could throw off the entire mechanism, but in the hands of a master, the movement slides into place as if it was always meant to be there. The assembly process is a meticulous one, requiring an extraordinary attention to detail. It's not just about putting parts together, it's about creating a harmony of components, each one serving its purpose in the grand scheme of the watch. It's about ensuring that every gear, every spring, every jewel is in its rightful place, working together to create the magic of timekeeping. The watchmaker's workbench is a stage, and each tool, each component, is an actor playing its part in this grand performance. Each step in the assembly process is a scene in this play, and the watchmaker is the director, guiding each component into its place, ensuring the performance goes off without a hitch. With all components in place, it's time for the final touch. The assembly is complete, but the watch's journey is not over. It still has to undergo the finishing touches and quality control. But for now, let's appreciate the beauty and complexity of a fully assembled watch. The final stage of watchmaking is a testament to its quality. Here, all the intricate details and countless hours of labor culminate in the final touches that truly bring the timepiece to life. It starts with the polishing of the case, a meticulous process that gives the watch its shiny, pristine appearance. This isn't just about aesthetics. Polishing also helps to protect the case from scratches and other forms of wear and tear, ensuring that it remains in top-notch condition for years to come. Next, we have the fitting of the strap. Whether it's leather, metal, or any other material, the strap is a critical component of the watch. It's not just about comfort, but also about how the watch sits on the wrist, how it feels, and how it complements the wearer's style. A well-fitted strap can make all the difference in the world. Now, once the watch has been assembled and finished, it's time for the most rigorous part of the process: quality control. This is where the watch is put through a series of stringent tests to ensure that it's up to the mark. One of the most crucial aspects checked during quality control is the watch's timekeeping accuracy. After all, a watch that doesn't keep time accurately is hardly a watch at all. The watch is carefully calibrated and tested to ensure that it's as accurate as possible. If the watch is designed to be water resistant, it's also put through a water resistance test. This involves submerging the watch underwater and checking for any signs of leakage. It's a necessary step to ensure that your watch can withstand a sudden downpour or an accidental plunge into a pool. Each of these steps, from the finishing touches to the rigorous quality control checks, serves to ensure that the watch is not just a beautiful piece of craftsmanship, but also a reliable, functional timepiece. And thus, a watch is born, a perfect blend of art and science, ready to keep time for its wearer.